Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with your Windows update on your Windows 10 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type services. Open it. In services you need to search for Windows update service guys. Search for it and we get it. Double click on it and the service status is running. You just need to stop it. And you just need to click OK and minimize the tab over here and go to file folder guys and go to this PC, go to local disk C and go to Windows folder over here. Before clicking on Windows folder you just need to go to view tab over here, click on it and go to options, click on it. In options you need to select the view options, view tab over here and you just need to select hidden files and folders. Show hidden files and folders and drives. Just need to select this and apply and OK. After doing this we get some hidden files in here. Go to Windows folder and in here you need to search for software distribution. Software distribution, that is, double click on it, software distribution and go to download and here we get, this is actually past copies from your update guys. Now these files are junk files. Just need to click anything here and Ctrl+A and right click on it and delete it. If anything not deleting, that's totally fine, but just select everything and delete it guys. That has been deleted. This folder is empty now. Go back to the service again and go back to Windows update, double click on it and click startup type to automatic and click service status is started running guys, back to form and you just need to click apply and OK and close out of here guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.